Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix Snapchat support SS06. So guys, if you are facing this problem and you don't know that how can you fix this issue. So today in this video I'll show you how can you fix it. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to make sure that you are giving correct password to login on your Snapchat account. So guys, make sure that you are giving the correct password, and if it is correct and you are still facing the problem, then you have to just simply open settings, tap on general, scroll down and then tap on shutdown, and shut down iPhone to 15 to 20 seconds. After open it again and check if the problem is fixed or not. If still having this problem, then you have to make sure that your return time is correct and set automatically is turned on. If it is turned off, then simply turn it on and check if the problem is fixed or not. If still having this problem, then tap on iPhone storage, scroll down, tap on Snapchat, tap on offload the app, and after that reinstall the app and check if the problem is fixed or not. If you are having still this problem, then you have to just simply press and hold the Snapchat app, and after that remove the app from here and open the App Store, and after that you have to just simply download and install the latest version of Snapchat. So guys, after doing this, hopefully your problem will be fixed. If still having this problem, then you have to just simply log in your account to another device. So guys, take on another device and you have to just simply log in your account to the another device, and after that guys, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So in this way you can easily fix your problem. So that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If the videos helps you, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.